Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Zach Shaheed, broadcasting live from Shaheedville, the great city of Columbus, Georgia. I am the Dadpreneur, one of the leaders of the legacy creators and the creator of Dominate Social Media. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have not joined Dominate Social Media yet, immediately following this broadcast, make sure you type in Dominate Social Media in the Facebook search because we have 12 modules inside of Dominate Social Media that if you go through all 12, you will become a marketing beast if you implement what you learn. So, guys, listen, if you're in network marketing, if you're in affiliate marketing, share this broadcast out, tag some other network marketers and affiliate marketers because they are going to get some value from this tonight. What's up, Dale Roy? Dale Roy's in the building. Welcome to today's live Zach Fact, my friend. And I wanted to cover this because I've been hearing, or I have heard over the years, a lot of network marketers saying, Zach, listen, I just don't have a lot of time, right? I don't have time. How do you find the time to build your business? How do I find that balance of building my business? What's going on, Peggy? Peggy's in the building. So if you guys have ever said that to yourself, please share this broadcast and tag other network marketers because listen, I understand. You guys may be busy, right? You may be working a full-time job. You may be a mommy. You may be a daddy, and you are trying to figure out how in the world to balance out your hectic life and still build your network marketing business at the same time. So what I want to give to you is a tip that my mentor, Robert Hollis, gave to me about 2 or 3 years ago, right? So if you're saying to yourself, I just don't have the time. I know I should be connecting with people on a regular basis. I should always be actively prospecting. I just don't know how to fit it in. Guys, you have the time. And I'm going to tell you how you figure out that you have enough time. So I want you to go buy a journal. Okay, go get your journal. Let me see if I have. You can get like a little compensation book right here. You can get one of these journals right here. Buy you a journal, right? And what I want you to do inside of your journal for the next week, inside of your journal, when you wake up until the time you go to sleep, I want you to write in your journal everything that you did from the time you woke up, okay, to the time you went to sleep. So when you wake up, you need to write in your journal, I woke up, okay? I went to brush my teeth. I went to go eat breakfast for 30 minutes. I went to go work out for 60 minutes. I read a book for an hour. I want you to write all of this stuff out, guys. Commit. You have to truly commit to doing this, right? If you're saying to yourself, you don't have the time, in your journal, you're going to write down from the time you wake up, from the time you go to sleep, everything you did for an entire week. And I guarantee you, when you go back through your journal, this is what you're going to find. You're going to find periods of time where you probably were watching TV, okay? You were just sitting around doing non-productive stuff. You were doing things. You're going to find a space of time to where you could have been actively prospecting. You could have shared your business opportunity with somebody, right? But you have to be truly committed in writing in your journal everything that you did for the entire week. Now, guys, listen, I don't care if it's only an hour per day. An hour per day. If you have an hour, you need to dedicate that hour to building your business. So let me tell you what I had to do when I first came into the network marketing industry, right? Before we had all this technology and social media. I never forget, my upline told me, he was like, Zach, you got to get a new prospect every single day. So if you work 8 hours a day, he said, instead of you, when you go on lunch break, instead of you just going into the break room, eating your lunch, make sure you take you a different shirt to work. So when you go on lunch, you change your shirt and you go get you a prospect. Okay, so that was one thing he gave me. He said, hey, when you get off of work, instead of you going straight home, how about you stop by a bookstore or the mall and get you a prospect? So I had to make time to do what I wanted to do, right? Now, guys, with social media, you literally have billions of people that you can connect with on a daily basis on your cell phone. So what you have to understand is that people, guys, we all, as human beings, we make the time we make time for things that are important to us. Yes, Delroy, Robert Hollis. Robert Hollis made me do that almost 3 years ago. I had to write in my journal that whole week, everything I did for an entire week. Okay, but yes, guys, billions of people are on your cell phone waiting for you to connect with them every single day. And as humans, we make time for the things that we are serious about. We make time for things that we truly want to do. So, guys, just this past week, my mentor, Robert Hollis, got on a training call and he told all the distributors on the team, right? He said, if you are not making time to build your business, just be honest with yourself and say, I'm not serious about it. Okay? He said, just be honest with yourself and say, hey, I am not truly committed to getting this done. Because if you are truly committed to building your business, you will make the time to do what you want to do. Bottom line, there's plenty of time, guys. We have 24 hours in a day. You can find 1 hour a day to commit to prospecting in your business. Because let me tell you how simple this is. And I don't care what network marketing company you are in, but this is what my mentor, Robert Hollis, teaches our team. And you can do the same thing in your network marketing company. What you should be doing every single day is looking to connect with people. Every single day, you should be looking to connect with a brand new person, okay? And then after you connect with that person, you should be looking for a way that you can share the free tour with them. Now, your free tour may be a video or whatever prospecting materials that your company has for you to give prospects, right? But you should be sharing a way to give them a free gift, get them to take the free tour, right? And then after you get them to take the free tour, now you plug them into Robert Hollis, our documented mentor, so he can train them. So those 3 simple steps are what Robert Hollis teaches our team to do every single day. But as a network marketer, your job is to connect with new people every single day. And with the invention of cell phones and social media, you guys have billions of people at your fingertip every single day that you can connect with if you choose to do it. Okay, but you have to make the time to do what you said you were going to do. You have to make the time to do what you said is going to help you get financially free. Okay, make the time. So again, get those journals, guys. Get the journals. And for the next week, the next 7 days, every single day from the time you wake up until the time you go to sleep, I want you to log in your journal everything you did and be super detailed about it. I brushed my teeth. I ate some food. I went jogging. I went to work. Be super detailed on everything you did for the next 7 days. And I guarantee you, when you go back to look at it, you're going to see a period of time, a gap, a space in time where you could have connected with somebody new. So that way you can build a relationship with them and be able to share with them some info about your company, products, or services. So that's your live Zach fact for today. Hopefully you all got some value from this. If you did, let me know in the comment stream. Make sure you share the broadcast. And guys, I also want to give you a free gift today. Here is your free gift. My mentor, Robert Hollis, has allowed me to give away his training for free. So what you want to do is go to roberthollis.com. Right there. Yeah. Go to roberthollis.com. You're going to get free access to his membership site where you're going to get all of his training for free. And then every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, he does network marketing training, guys, to help you get the mindset and the skill sets you need to become a leader in the network marketing industry and get some results in your network marketing business. So go to roberthollis.com, get free access to the training, and also make sure you join Dominate Social Media, our Facebook community. So you guys have a great day on purpose, and I'll see you guys on the next Live Zach Fact. We out. Peace.